So heading to this one, I thought I had what was going to be an easy one, which was I had a bathroom faucet where when you turn on the cold side, when you turn on the hot side, nothing would get hot, and turn on the cold side and that would get hot. So looks like the lines were plumb backwards. Normally the hot side's on the left, cold side on the right. Well, this one, the original plumbing, they had done it backwards. So should have been an easy deal of just swapping the hoses, and the nice thing is you can do it from the lower portion where it connects to the 3/8 inch shutoffs. These are some nice quarter turn shutoffs. It's got a bucket below to catch the water, and just have to disconnect both sides and then change which side they're connected to. So nice and easy in theory. Only problem was no reach. You'll see in a moment here.
That would have been too easy. I'm gonna need two longer supply lines.
So I didn't really notice it when I was there, but seeing it in the video, you can see the yellow tape around the back of the angle stops. Looks like someone used the rated for gas Teflon tape. It won't hurt anything, it's just a thicker tape, you know. But technically with angle stops you don't need Teflon tape at all. But looks like someone used the for gas Teflon tape. It's just a much thicker tape. That'll make replacing them in the future easy anyway. They'll come apart nice and easy. Won't hurt anything. Okay, so I made it to the shop and back and got some longer supply lines. So these are 20-inch supply lines. Should give me plenty of room to reach to the other side. So I'm going to have to cross the lines on purpose, you know, just position them so they're out of the way of the pop-up assembly. No big deal, but this way, this will fix it, and then no one will ever know, you know, unless they wind up replacing everything again. So what happened is this unit was renovated. It probably had already been corrected, but during the renovation, old sink pulled out, old angle stops and everything pulled out, and then someone installed the new sink with, you know, what would normally be the correct deal, cold on the right and hot on the left. So this one, you know, again, it's just an easy deal of changing which side goes to which. This one only complicated just a tiny bit by needing the longer supply lines. No big deal. So here you can see the basin wrench in action. Sometimes you'll need to kind of get a finger on the other side in order to get it to grab really good. This kind of is what it is. But still much nicer and easier than a pair of channel locks, because you can't really get the angle properly. It's a very nice tool. Some of them have an extending handle. This one's just a cheapie that happens to work really good. Sometimes all you need is all you need. But yeah, a little tricky climbing under the sink, but no big deal. Nice, easy job. Okay, got them connected up top, and then now it's just crossing the lines. Just taking care to make sure nothing's cross-threaded, threading it nice and easy by hand. Avoiding the hoses getting kinked at all, so giving it a nice curve to, you know, deal with the extra bit of slack. Connecting this to the quarter turn angle stop. I'm a big fan of the quarter turn angle stops. They're very nice. I'm changing all my units to that. For the dual angle stops, there's still not a good option for me, for there is no quarter turn angle stop for dual angle stops, at least that I can get from my supplier. Curious if anyone out there is seeing any type of a quarter turn dual angle stop. I haven't seen one yet, so. But yeah, this was just a nice, easy deal. Cross those lines over, position everything how it should be, open things up, check for leaks, make sure there's no leaks, and it's back to normal. Operate the pop-up, make sure that operates freely, and now it's cold on the right and hot on the left. It's good to go, just like it should be. Everything like it should be. A little final field test, make sure there's no more leaks, a little cleanup, good to go. Hot on the left, cold on the right. How it should be. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.